Cloudy weather and thundershowers started up quite early on in the day over the central part of South Africa, with a few thundershowers popping up over the western interior in the afternoon. But those large thunderstorms starting to build over Mpumalanga and KwaZulu-Natal at around midday, and then increasing in size on Tuesday afternoon. Overnight, we're expecting thunderstorms over a large portion of South Africa, with a chance of heavy rainfall over parts of the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal. It'll be a sunny and hot day over the western part of the country, with some morning rain along the Eastern Cape coast. Isolated thundershowers extend over the southern interior, with widespread thunderstorms over the northeastern and eastern parts, and cloudy and wet weather over the far eastern part of the country. The South African Weather Service have issued a watch of the possibility of heavy rainfall, with 50 millimeters of rainfall or more over a 24-hour period. Here's our rainfall probability map for tonight, with widespread thunderstorms over parts of KZN and the Eastern Cape, with a large area of scattered thunderstorms over the interior, and then isolated thundershowers as we head towards the northern Cape. In Bloemfontein tonight, mostly cloudy conditions and scattered thunderstorms are forecast, with a minimum temperature of 16 degrees. A southwesterly wind is expected to gust at around 35 kilometers per hour. Tomorrow, light to moderate northwesterly winds are forecast, with a warm day at 29, and showers really starting quite early on in the day, after that possibly clearing on Wednesday afternoon. A southerly flow brings in moisture along the east coast on Tuesday evening, with a strong southeasterly wind gusting over the southwestern part of South Africa. On our wind map, you'll see that high starting to ridge over the far northeastern part of the country, with an onshore component to the wind along the east coast and more of an easterly flow over the southern part of the country. Now, with all of the cloud, we're expecting warm minimum temperatures overnight. 18 degrees for Kimberley and Mahikeng, around 20 for Uppington, Pretoria and Bombela, still warm for Richards Bay at 24, 18 degrees for Port Elizabeth and Cape Town, and Sutherland dropping to 11 degrees overnight. Things stay hot for Uppington with a maximum temperature of 34 degrees, Vredendal at 35, 30 as we head into Cape Town. We head into the mid-20s along the coast from George through to East London, as well as for Johannesburg, 29 for Pretoria and Richards Bay. Then our extended forecast takes us into Thursday with cloudy and wet weather still over the far eastern parts. We're forecasting cooler weather in the northeast with a mostly cloudy day and scattered thunderstorms, dry over the western and southern part of the country though, and that's ahead of a cold front which brings in some rainfall over the western and southern part of South Africa on Friday, with thundershowers over the central and northeastern parts and some rain along the east coast. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Stay with us for further updates.